everyone, welcome to Rise. My name is Lidas. In this video, we're going to study the vocabulary words from lesson 27, Nicodemus. So I have 5 words to share all of you. Alright, let's get started. My first word is cashier. Cashier. We can spell C-A-S-H-I-E-R. Cashier. For example, he works as a cashier at the restaurant. Cashier. The second word is scale. Scale. We spell S-C-A-L-E. Scale. For example, my mother bought a new scale for selling fishes. Scale. The third word is fit. Fit. We spell F-I-T. Fit. For example, those jeans still fit me. Those jeans still fit me. The 4 words is change. Change. We can spell C-H-A-N-G-E. Change. For example, I'm going to change my hairstyle. I'm going to change my hairstyle. And the last word is take back. Take back. We can spell T-A-K-E. B-A-C-K. Take back. For example, if you are not satisfied with your purchase, we will take it back and return your money. Take back. Alright, now I'll review all the words for you one more time. Cashier. Cashier. Scale. Scale. Fit. Fit. Change. Change. Take back. Take back. Good job everyone, and thank you so much for spending time watching this video. I hope you enjoy with it. So try to make sentence by yourself. If you would like to leave your sentence in comment, we will have check later. If you do it right, we will give you thumb up. If it is not yet, we will have correct your sentence. Or if you want to learn a full video with Miss Jenny Taylor, just click the link below. Alright, God bless you. Bye bye.